Lumvelle Drops are marketed as a beauty supplement that supposedly enhances tanning and helps you achieve a bronze look without excessive sun exposure. But the real question is, do the negative reviews tell the real story? Or is there actually something special about these drops? Now, to be fair, some beauty supplements contain ingredients like beta-carotene, vitamins, and antioxidants that may support overall skin health. However, that's very different from guaranteeing a noticeable tan or dramatic transformation. What it does well: easy to use. The drops can be added to water or incorporated into a daily routine with minimal effort. May support overall skin health. Depending on the ingredients, some users may benefit from added vitamins and antioxidants. Where the hype falls apart, the negative reviews are hard to ignore. This is the biggest issue. Many dissatisfied customers report little to no visible change despite using the product as directed. Results are often far less dramatic than advertised. Marketing materials may suggest a noticeable glow or tan, while real-world outcomes appear much more subtle. There is limited evidence for major tanning effects. Beauty supplements cannot reliably replicate the effects of natural tanning or self-tanning products. So, do the negative reviews tell you everything about Lumvelle Drops? Short answer: they reveal an important pattern. Many customers appear disappointed because the product often fails to deliver the dramatic results suggested by the marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.